Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize specific app settings using the Per app on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down a little bit to go to accessibility, so tap on that one, and then swipe down to the very bottom, and on the very bottom you are going to find the Per app settings. So click on this one, and here you can customize the app. So let's add the app that you want to customize. In my case, I'm going to look for the messages, so let's go and choose messages. Once you are here, you have those two apps. I added the 17My, but I'm going to delete it right now. Let's focus on the messages. So once you add an app, you can go into, and as you can see, you have those options right here. So you can bold the text, and this is only going to work in the messages, so in the specific application. Also, you can go with the larger text, so you can resize the text of that messages. You can go with the button shapes, you can go with on or off. I'm going to use with on-off labels, also default. So default means as the system is set in your main settings, so I'm just going to use off because I have on-off labels everywhere, but I don't want to have it in the messages. To reduce transparency, maybe I'm going to leave it on. So what it does, it improves contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. You can increase the contrast also. I'm going to turn that on. Also, I want to differentiate without color. What it means that replaces user interface items that rely solely on color to convey information with alternatives. Also, you can select to prefer horizontal text, but I'm not going to use it right now. And maybe let's turn on the smart invert, because it is the best that it will show you that this is actually working. And also I want to reduce motion, so it means that if we go out of messages or go into, we are not going to get those animation as, you know, like going out of the app. I will show you. As you can see, this is not working, but as you can see already, we have everything bolted, we have everything bigger, and the messages. Maybe I'm going to turn off the smart invert. Also, you can select to autoplay animated images or not. Maybe I'm not going to use it. And also you can prefer crossfade transitions on and off. I'm going to set it to on, and I will show you how it works in the video later. You can also select the autoplay video previews to on or off. I'm going to leave it as it is on default. So now, as you can see, every other applications are normal, but if you go to messages right now, as you can see, everything is bigger, everything is just just bigger in this specific app. And you can do it in the Per app settings with every other application that you would like to, as you can see. So we can do the same with the contacts, and here I'm going to change only the maybe I'm going to just do the smart invert. So let me show you that this is actually working. It is not working right now because we need to go back, and now it should work. It is still not working. Oh, I made it in the contacts, so maybe that's why. Contacts. As you can see, now the smart invert is working right now. So You can customize every application that you would like to with those settings. So again, how to get to it: open main settings, go to the accessibility, then swipe down to the very bottom and go to the power up settings. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!